Hello learners, I am Parikshith and welcome to another very exciting session on Unacademy CAT-alyst. As you must have realized by now, in this series of sessions in which we are learning the basics of quants, I am showing you some super awesome calculation techniques which will help you get your answers in seconds. And why are calculation techniques so important? Remember, only the CAT permits the use of a calculator, but M.B.A entrances are not only about CAT but also about the ZAT, about the Nursimunji, about the SNAP, about the IIFT and so many other exams where it's all about speed. So it's very important that you make use of the correct shortcuts to solve quants questions so that you can get your answers in the least possible time. That's what we are learning in this few sessions. Let's get started in this, and I'm going to show you some more exciting techniques. Okay, so this is about me, your educator on the platform with the highest live class rating, thanks to my learners. Okay, a lot of happenings on Unacademy in the next few days. 3rd of May, a revision batch for the Maharashtra CET started. 5th of May, a perfect score batch for CAT 2021. And on the 8th of May, a champion batch. Now, if you are interested to enroll for any of these batches, or for that matter, go for iconic CAT 2021 subscription, where you get a lot of benefits, right? Make sure you use the code Parikshith Live, because if you use this code Parikshith Live, A, you will get 10% discount, and B, this is the only code which will give you free mentorship. I repeat, free mentorship from my side, and mentorship is going beyond your class hours to help you with your doubts, help you prepare your strategies, clarify mock questions, and a lot more. So make sure you make use of this code Parikshith Live. Let's get started with the session. Okay, in today's session, I'm going to show you speed maths techniques for squares. For some of you who saw my live session yesterday, remember this is where we stopped. How to find out squares of numbers. Let's quickly revise. You know what? 1 square is 1, right? 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. Okay, 5 square is 25. This is something which all of us know. But this is not what squares are all about. What are squares? I would rather want you to visualize squares as sum of consecutive odd numbers. So what is 1? 1 is the sum of the first consecutive odd number, which is 1. What is 4? 4 is nothing but the sum of the first two odd numbers. Sum of the first two odd numbers, which is 1 plus 3. What is 3 square? Sum of the first three odd numbers. What is 1 plus 3 plus 5? What is 16? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Sum of the first four consecutive odd numbers. And then 25, which is 5 square, is sum of the first 5 consecutive odd numbers. That's how you need to look at squares. Now, what you also need to realize is, let's take an example of 5 square. You know what? 5 square and 4 square, everything is same. Everything is same. What is difference? The last number. What is this last number? It's the 5th odd number. So can I say 4 square and 5 square are exactly the same, except that 5 square has got the 5th odd number, which is extra. How do you find the 5th odd number? 5th odd number is given by, or any odd number for that matter, is given by 2n minus 1. So if you have to find out the 5th odd number, put n is 5. So 2 into 5 minus 1 is 9. If you have to find the 50th odd number, put n is equal to 50. So 2 into 50 minus 1 comes out to be 99. So I understand, I hope you understand, how do you find out the value of an odd number, right? Now let's go to the questions. Now let's look at the questions, okay? Let's try to understand how will you apply this. Now one more shortcut I showed you yesterday, and I'm going to quickly repeat it, is how do you find out the squares of numbers ending with 5? Okay? So for squares of numbers ending with 5, it's very easy. 5 square is what? 25. What about the next number? The next number is nothing but 6. Can you see the tens digit? The tens digit into the next number. So 6 into 7, 42. That's your answer. Similarly, if you have another number, 85 square. How will you find out? 5 square will always be 25. What about the remaining two digits? The tens digit, whatever the tens digit, into the next number. So 8 is there, you take the next number. 8 into 9, 72. So the answer is 7225. 7225, right? I hope this is something you realize. Okay. Now let's look at, let's look at another number. Okay. What is 6 square? What is 6 square? Think about it. 6 square. You know that 6 square will be same as 5 square. Will be same as 5 square, except that 6 square will have one term extra. What is the terms extra? The sixth odd number. The sixth odd number. What is the sixth odd number? Put n is 6. Put n is 6 on the top of your board. 2 into 6 minus 1, which is 11. So you'll get your answer as 36. Now this is something we know. But let's say you want to find out 46 square. 46 square. How will you find out? 46 square will be same as 45 square, but one extra term. What is 45 square? 45 square. 5 square is 25 and 4 into the next number. So 4 into 5, 2025. This is 45 square. What is that extra term? That extra term is the 46th odd number. So put 2n minus 1. N is 46. How much will you get? 2 into 46 minus 1 is 91. So how much you get? 6, 11, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 6. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Let's take another number. Let's say 76 square. Okay. How will you find out 76 square? Very easy. 76 square will be same as 75 square, but one extra term. What is 75 square? Remember the shortcut for 5 square? 5 square is 25 and 75. So the tens digit is 7. Because the tens digit is 7, you're going to multiply with the next number. 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is how much? 56. 7 into 8 is how much? 56, right? So 75 square is 5625. But you know one extra term. What is that extra term? 76th term. So put on the top 2 into 76 minus 1. 151. 151. So can you say 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 6. I hope this is very clear. I hope this is very clear. In this way, you can find out any number. You can find out any number. Think about it. Let's take another number. Let's take another number, okay? Let's say you need to find out, you know what? You need to find out 34 square. 34 square, okay? So you logically think, 34 square, probably 35 square is something I know. How do you know 35 square? You have a shortcut. 5 square is 25, 35. So obviously the tens digit is 3. Multiply with the next number. 3 into 4, 12. So 35 square is 12, 25. But the question is about 34 square. So remember, 34 square and 35 square, only one difference. What is the difference? 35 square will have one extra term. What is that extra term? The 35th odd number. What is the 35th odd number? 2 into 35 minus 1, 69. So can I say just subtract 69 and you will get your answer. So 5, 1, 1, 5, 6. 1, 1, 5, 6. Do you follow this? Do you follow this? Like this, in fact, you can find out any number. You know what? Let's say I ask you 89 square. 89 square. So you'll immediately say, sir, you know what? I know 90 square. How much is 90 square? 9 square is 81. So 90 square will be 8100. But you know what? 90 square will have one extra term. What is that extra term? That extra term is the 90th odd number. What is the 90th odd number? Put it here. 2 into 90 minus 1. 179. So 8100 minus 179. So 10 nines are 1. 9 sevens are 2. So 10 nines are 7, 9, 2, 1. Do you follow this? Do you follow this? Any doubt in this? If you are watching me live, you can ask. If you are watching me live, you can directly ask. Right? Let's take another number. Let's take another number. So I hope you realize the importance of how quickly you can find out these numbers provided you know the shortcut. Okay. Let's take another number. Let's take, you know what? 61 square. 61 square. Okay. How much is 61 square? You know what? You know 60 square. So 60 square is going to be 3600. Plus, you know what? 60 square and 61 square will have only one difference in term. What is that term? The 61st odd number. Which is the 61st odd number? 2 into 61 is 122 minus 1, 121. 121. So if you add it, you get 3721. 3721. Correct? Now we are going to learn something new. Now we are going to learn something new where you got to be a bit careful. Okay? Now, with this knowledge in mind, let's say you need to determine, for an example, let's say 12 square. Now 12 square, be very careful, okay? Be very careful. 12 square is 144. All of us know, but I want to extend the logic, okay? I want to understand the logic and will extend for bigger sums. So hold on and try to understand. What is 12 square? 12 square, can I say, will be same as 11 square plus the 12th odd number. Plus 12th odd number. Do you agree on this? Yes? Many a times, like in this question, 11 square you directly know. But let's assume the number was 92 square. If it is 92 square, then 91 square plus the 92nd odd number probably will take some time to calculate. So you know what? 11 square can rather be written as, what is 11 square? 11 square is 10 square plus the 11th odd number. Plus 11th odd number. Will you agree? What is 11 square? 10 square plus the 11th odd number plus originally you have the 12th odd number. Originally you have the 12th odd. So you know what? What is 10 square? All of us know it is 100. All of us know it is 100. But here lies the shortcut. Here lies the shortcut. You know what? If you add up two consecutive odd numbers, you know what? The sum of two consecutive odd numbers, the shortcut is sum of two consecutive odd numbers will always be 4 times the smaller number. 4 times the smaller number. This is another shortcut that you should know. Meaning you will have 100 plus 4 times what? 4 times, what is the smaller? 11 and 12. What is the smaller number? 11. So 4 times 11 comes out to be 44. Comes out to be 44. Correct? So 100 plus 44 is 144. 100 plus 44 is 144. And I hope you realize this, that 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. Let's apply the shortcut. Let's apply the shortcut. Let's say I ask you 52 square. Okay? 52 square. I know 52 square is 51 square plus the 52nd odd number. Yes, but probably that would be a bit time consuming. If you want to be still fast, more fast, you know what you will say? You'll immediately say 52 square is 50 square. Why am I saying 50 square? Because 50 square is easier to calculate, right? So 50 square plus 4 times 51 plus 4 times 51. So how much you are getting? 2500 plus 204. That will come out to be 2704. 2704. Someone might be having a doubt here. Why are we having 4 times 51? Remember, 52 square is 50 square plus the 51st. So you need to visualize like this. If you are having a doubt here, you need to visualize like this. 52 square, can I say 52 square will actually be equal to 50 square plus 51st odd plus 52nd odd plus 52nd odd. Correct? I hope you agree with this, right? What is the difference between 52 square and 50 square? Everything is same except that 52 square will have 2 extra odd terms. And you know, whenever you add 2 extra odd terms, the shortcut is it will always be equal to 4 times the smaller number. So 4 times the smaller number would mean 4 into 51, which will come out to be 2704. 2704. I hope you appreciate the beauty of these shortcuts. They are super awesome and you'll be able to get your answer in seconds. you will be able to get your answer in seconds. Let's try some more. Let's try some more. Okay. Let's try some more. Okay. I think I deleted this 2n minus 1. Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's say I ask you 3 square. How much is 3 square? You know what? All of us know what is 3 square. All of us know. But if I have to apply this technique, 3 square probably near to 0 or near to 5. Whatever it is near to, you take that. I think it is closer to 5 because with 5 the difference is 2. With 0 the difference is 3. So 5 square. But you know what? What is extra in 5 square? Between 3 square and 5 square, the problem is 5 square is having 2 extra terms. What is that extra term? The 5th odd number and the 4th odd number. 5th odd number and the 4th odd number. So you know the shortcut is 4 times the shorter number. 4 times the smaller number. So that will come out to be 9. That will come out to be 9. Right? Let's take more numbers. Let's take more numbers. Let's say you have 73 square. You know what? 73 square. Is it near to 70 or 75? It's closer to 75, right? So immediately I will say, you know what? 73 square will be 75 square minus 4 times 74. 4 times 74. Why? Again, you should not be having a doubt. I'm sure some of you are having a doubt. If you want to expand this, logically you think 73 square must be same as 73 square. 73 square must be same as 75 square. Correct? But the problem is 75 square has got 2 extra terms. What are those 2 extra terms? It has got the 74th odd number extra and the 75th odd number extra. And the 75th odd number extra. So these 2 terms are extra. You can put it here, find out the 74, you can put it here, find out the 75th, but that is going to be a long method. So what is the shortcut? The shortcut is sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers will always be equal to 4 times the smaller number. 4 times the smaller number, and that's exactly what I wrote when I wrote it directly using the shortcut, right? And then you calculate, you'll get your answer. So you can calculate this, you can easily get your answer. Are you following? See, it's very easy. Remember the SNAP, the Nursi Munji, the IIFT. It's all about speed. It's not about knowledge because they ask you very easy questions. It's only about how quickly can you answer those questions, right? The Nursi Munji, the SNAP, it's less than 1 minute per question. A few seconds, 40 seconds, 45 seconds. And hence you got to know a lot of shortcuts to be able to solve those questions really fast. Let's take another example. You know what? Let's say you forget in the exam. You forget something in the exam. Immediately you can derive 8 square. What is 8 square? Probably 8 is very close to 10. So I'll immediately say 8 square is equal to 10 square minus 4 times 9. Why 9? Because 10 has got 2 extra terms. What are those extra terms? 9th odd number plus the 10th odd number. So the shortcut is 4 times the smaller number. So can you see this? 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 is 64. Right? But the bottom line is it's not about 8 square. All of us know what's 8 square. So what are you going to do? You are going to extend this logic. If you extend this logic, think about it. You will immediately say 38 square is something I can determine. What is 38 square? 38 square. Immediately you will say is 40 square minus 4 times 39. 4 times 39, right? So you'll calculate this and you'll get your answer. I hope squares are clear once and for all. Trust me, this is something which will only come with practice. This is something which will only come with practice. If you don't practice, this will not be a shortcut for you. Rather, you will go wrong in it. But if you practice, and when I say practice, I don't mean practicing for hours. Just 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes every day. Last 5 days, I have shown you a lot of shortcuts. Every day, 10 minutes. 10 minutes or 15 minutes maximum you practice. Okay, but every day. And you do that continuously for 30 days. Right? 30 days. 10 minutes a day for the next 30 days. Trust me, these are going to be at the tip of your tongue. Squares, multiplication, percentage change. These are going to be at the tip of your tongue. I'm going to show you some more awesome techniques. But yeah, obviously those will be in my next session tomorrow. Right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session. And yes, there is a bumper offer on Unacademy going on. Remember, if you now today subscribe to Unacademy for a 6-month subscription, right? 6-month subscription, if you take, Unacademy is going to extend your subscription till the CAT. So it's a few days of offer. So 6-month subscription will be extended till your CAT 2021 exam. And remember, when you subscribe, you definitely got to use the code Parikshith Live. Why do you use this code? A, 10% discount you will get on the fee. B, this is the only code which will give you free mentorship. Remember, there are hundreds of students who follow me on Unacademy Plus, many hundreds, but only those who join Unacademy Plus using this code Parikshith Live will be mapped to me as mentor-mentee, right? So when I say mentor-mentee, it's going beyond your class hours to help you with your doubts, help you prepare your strategies, and a lot more, right, till your CAT. So remember to use the code Parikshith Live for 10% discount and free mentorship. Even on Plus, the mentorship is available even on Unacademy Plus, right? And then the India's biggest scholarship test. Do register for it because you need to know how well your preparation is going on as of today, right? That is very important. And anytime you have a doubt, you can always make use of the Ask a Doubt feature on Unacademy as well. Okay, I think that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Hope you learned something new. And I'm going to see you in my next session tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.